Itinuloy namin ang paghahanap ng Tipolo at dito kami nagawi. Isang nakamamanghang museo sa Antipolo ng Philippine Contemporary Art. Nakabukod sa likod ng Pinto Art Museum ang tagungyaman nito. Isang gubat sa gitna ng lungsod at isang bukod-tanging arboretum o sanktuaryo ng mga katutubong halaman at puno ng Pilipinas. Ang nakaisip maghalo ng halaman, puno at sining sa isang lugar ay ang nagtatag mismo ng Pinto Art Museum, si Dr. Joven Cuana.
Why did you decide na ipagsama yung art at saka nature?
Yeah, okay. After the EDSA revolution, okay, what can we do, no, to help the Philippines recover? So we said, okay, let's promote art, culture, and ecology. So that's the reason why when we built this up, I said, okay, we'll want to come out with a rescue center for indigenous, endangered Philippine plants and trees.
Why call it rescue center? Rescue from extinction?
Yeah, extinction. Rescue from
danger.
From hills and mountains being converted into subdivisions, right?
Mahigit 50 taon na mula nang simulan niyang palaguin ang 2 ektaryang ito sa Antipolo.
So nauna yung interest mo sa nature before art?
I was, as a kid in Ilocos, I was in charge of our garden. No? So I would water the plants in the morning, water the plants after I come from school. So talagang nang bubungkal ako ng earth, no? So it was part of my childhood to really be interested in plants and trees, no?
Mahalaga raw sa kalusugan ang sining at halaman.
We are now going ahead and evangelizing, sort of, that art and nature are part of the healing process, apart from the pharmaceuticals.